I found this website literally giving away free money for anything at all that you need. Hi guys, so I found this awesome website where you can actually get free money for anything at all that you need money for, be it for your travels, healthcare, for your education, or maybe you have a startup but you don't know how to fund it. On this website, you can get someone to help you fund your startup projects, or maybe you have an NGO and you're looking for people to assist with those charitable projects that you're running. All you need to do on this website is just to tell your story, and good and charitable people would be able to help you, support you financially, and all of those projects. How does that even sound? Amazing, right? Great. So let's get right into it and we'll explore all this website that I have today. So the first on my list would be fundmytravel.com. Fundmytravel.com. This one, it actually gives you the opportunity to request for money on a lot of things, not just travel. But basically, let's say, for instance, you have a charity organization, maybe in Africa or somewhere, and you need money for that travel. On here, you can come here to ask for that. You can also see people that are asking for money for, anything at all, maybe for healthcare or to cater for some special need people or whatever. So let's get right into it. So if you can see here, you can see featured campaigns. You can see this person, for instance, supports branding and whatever. Say giving back is my passion and all that. So here you can see the amount that is being requested for $6,000. And so far, 44% has been raised for this. And you can see this one. It says support my volunteer trip, and you can see that this is for $3,675, and so far 96% has been covered. And you can also see here as well, someone is saying help me travel to see my dad, and they've requested for $6,000, and you can see 76% already is going in to that project. There's a lot of things. You can see support for birthday, support volunteering to teach, big dream, and all of that. So how does this one work? Fund my travel. All you need to do is start your fundraising, tell your story. You can also copy the link and share across people, and then you get funding from good and charitable people. It is short and simple. And here you have like the success stories of people that have also benefited from this in time past. And so that's the number one on our list. And so what do you need to do? Just go ahead, hit on sign in, and then you can start your registration process. And the second one that will be on my list today is fundly.com. So Fundly is also all encompassing. What do you do on fundly.com? So here you can see Fundly helps with clubs and community creative projects, disaster relief, whatever at all, be it health, be it military, kids and family, even to the extent of pets, schools and your education, religious organization, both memorials and funerals. So you can have trips and adventures, sports teams, and whatever. As you can see right here, there's a lot of things you can actually ask for funding right here on fundly.com. And you can see, for instance, we have this trending campaign, and this one is stem cells fund. This is for healthcare. Someone is asking for $112,000 plus dollars, and so far 56% of this has been also donated. And this is to show you that at least 50k has been raised for this particular project. And you see this one is for 97,000, and so far 49% has been raised. And this person is asking for refugee relief and for $7,000 plus, and so far 74% has been raised. And so you can see that on this website you can actually fund your project, whatever it is that you're looking for, all you need to do is just sign up on this application, tell your story. Why do you need this fund? And just get it started. You can see a little care can change the world. It say for individuals and charities, no startup fees. You're not paying any fees, no hidden fees at all. Just tell your story and people will be willing to help you. And so the third one that I have right here on my list is gogetfunding.com. I also love gogetfunding.com because it covers variety of everything and a lot of people from different part of the world have access to this one. So this one you can see, this one is from Poland and is asking for top surgery fund, and so far they've raised about 4,900 euros for this. So it's already like 103% funded. And then you have this one, support anti-AK, a helping hand in hard times. So this one, you can see that 6,340 US dollars has been raised, like 126% has been funded for this particular story. And you can see donation for Asia and family, and this has raised about 20,000 US dollars, and over 134% has been funded already. And you can just go here to tell your story, whatever it is, just go here and start raising funds. It's very easy, it's trusted. You can also speak to a fundraising coach if you need one right on this platform. There is no donor fees. It's simple to set up, and then you can also share the details with your friends and your family. If you look at the fundraising categories that we have right here, you can see that it covers a lot of things: funerals and tribute, education, medicals, family, pet, whatever, business and startups. So you can see that for business and startups, you have about 20.3K campaigns that has been raised right here. You have special events, maybe your birthdays or whatever events at all that you're trying to raise a fund for. You can come here. So this one, it gives you an overview for you to know that a lot of people are actually coming to this website to explore what people are needing money for, and then they are also helping with this one. You can see right here, this person is asking for, say, help me recover from my unidentified rare disease, and she's asking for some money, and so far about 6,000 has already been raised, and this is not in the US. Why I like Go Get Funding as well is because it pulls people from different part of the world. It doesn't matter where you are actually coming from. All you need is just sign up, tell your story, and someone will be able to help you right there. And you can also see all of the other campaigns that are right here on this: a miracle chance to fight for her life and heart. And for this one, 254 has thousand has already been raised so far. And that's it about this particular website. And the fourth one that is on my list would be Kickstarter. So Kickstarter.com is another amazing opportunity that you might need to also explore. So Kickstarter.com is majorly for those that have ideas in business, whatever, about business, about your startup, whatever it is, be it an art, your music, you need help to fund your record label or whatever it is, be it in design, photography, or also in technology, in theater, whatever at all, your films, whatever at all you need help with, you can come here to raise funds for your startups. You can come here to raise funds for that big project, an idea that you have that you don't know how to even start it. So here is your go-to guy that you need to come to. So you can see here that towards creative work, that over $8 million has already been raised on this platform. So what does this tell you? It means that a lot of people actually come here to support startups, to support founders of great project, whatever it is at all that you're founding as a business. You should be looking at Kickstarter because it is huge and people are actually looking at it. Let's scroll a little bit down and you can see people and the money that they've raised so far right here. You can see a lot of testimonials right here, and you can see all the money that has been raised and all the projects that has been raised and the ones that are actually coming up. So this will tell you that this platform actually is a place where you should be looking at. I know that starting a company, it's not that easy getting funding. So why don't you also explore this option as well to get yourself started, pending when you get like the big thing. Of course, you might even get all the money you need for the funding right here. Yes, people can actually fund your project right here. So the last that I have on my list is going to be the crowdfund R. So the crowdfund R is another place where creators can actually get funding. It says the creator friendly crowdfunding platform, more powerful, more flexible, and more free. So if you're a creator and you need funding, you can come here also, and you can also have like collaborators right on this website. So you can just look at this website, and you can see here, for instance, make believe, a little film with a big imagination. So you can see that this is a little film that is being produced by Michelle Cameron, and you can see here that 8.3k dollars has already been raised for this. So you can see that this project is moving. You can also see these 7 Spore feature films. If you're producing a movie, a short film, you don't know how to go about, you need funding on that. You can see right here, this one, 13k USD has been raised, right? And it's almost done. So what are you waiting for? I bring you the best and the best of opportunities for you to explore. Do not sleep on any opportunities that I bring your way, guys. So that's it about this website. I want to keep this video as short and simple as possible. Then you can go onto the website and explore the information for yourself. Please let me share this tip. When you are sharing your story, please make it original. Don't just go to AI and just, generate me a story around this. So you need to be very original with your story. When you are telling it, ask yourself, if I am the one, telling this story that I need funding for a certain project, will I buy into the story? If your answer is yes, okay, maybe you can go ahead, but do not make the mistake of just grabbing something from an AI generated tool and then you load it right there. It's not going to be original, right? So all you need to do, just tell your story. For instance, you need help with your education, you want to study abroad, it's your dream to study abroad, it's your dream to get that education, that degree abroad, but you do not have the finances to embark on this journey. So you can just go ahead and tell your story. I'm sure it's your story, it's gonna be original. And as original as it is, I think that is really what will make people to really say, okay, I want to actually support you. Okay, so because anybody can go to AI and generate something and load it right in, let that person not be you, right? Okay guys, thank you so much. I hope that this video is as valuable as I thought it would be for me bringing it right here. Let me know if you're going to be trying any of these opportunities. If you're trying it, let me know how it's going. If you have any questions whatsoever, as always, I'll be in the comment section. Just drop me a comment and I'll be right there to assist you in any way possible. You know how we do right here on this channel, right? And please don't forget to like this video for me and also subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and your family. Someone might need this. You do not know. People shouldn't be asking you for OJ 2K and all of that. They should also look for ways that they can also help themselves to raise up some funds for those projects and all of that. You never know. Someone might need it. So please share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so that whenever I share amazing content, you will be the first person to get it. Till I see you next week, keep thriving. Bye.